If you want to connect the PS5 controller to Samsung Galaxy A57, in that case, first of all, we're gonna open Settings. Over here in Settings, we're gonna go to Connections, and then in here you want to choose the Bluetooth option. Of course, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. And then we need to turn on our controller and put it into the pairing mode. Now on this controller, in order to do so, I have to press the PlayStation button and the Create or Share button. So we need to press and hold both of these buttons at once. And if we do this correctly, we should be able to have the flashing blue color, like blue LEDs. This means that the controller is now in the pairing mode, so I'm going to tap on Scan here in the upper right corner to refresh the list, and you should be able to find the DualSense wireless controller, so I'm going to select it, and then we need to confirm that we want to pair. And there we go. Now the controller has been connected, and as you can see, I can actually control and I can navigate in menus and so on and so forth. I can also use the touchpad on the controller in order to use the cursor or the mouse. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.